Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use WooCommerce shortcodes in Elementor. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically in my case, I'm only using the Astra as a website builder. So basically here for this video, I'm just going to check this Elementor blog so we can find on how to use the shortcodes for Elementor. And basically they are all the website builders are mostly similar. So to use the shortcodes or the WooCommerce shortcodes for Elementor, you will need just to use the shortcode panel for Elementor or shortcode widget. So it will be something similar to this. So in customize, you will maybe have some uh, place to have, for example, as widgets, you will find, for example, shortcode editor or shortcode snippets or some shortcode thing, and it will be edit shortcode, and from there you can start adding your shortcodes. So basically, for example, in this Elementor side or in this products page, you can start adding your shortcodes. And using shortcode, you will be able to start uh, changing the layout of your page, etc. And as you can see, you will find you might have many shortcode codes. And there is, for example, the WooCommerce cart. So it can add this cart for to your page. You can have a checkout shortcode, etc., etc. And as you can see, you can simply start using the Elementor and you can start adding the tags that you would like. So for example, for products, you will have many properties, as you can see, the limits, columns, paginates, etc. So you will need to be uh, more informed about on how to use the shortcodes, and then you will need just to go simply to your Elementor shortcode editor. So as you can see in the content, you will find it here, and you can just click on apply so you can have your shortcode applied. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.